Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed the sets and operation of the sets. That is, how will you find out the union of the sets, intersection of the sets, difference of two sets and complement of a set. Now in this lecture we will discuss the numerical problem based on the complement of a set. Once again I repeat the meaning of the complement of a set. Complement of a set A is also a set which contain all elements of the universal set except of the set A itself. Except of the element of set A itself. So let us suppose U be the universal set. You know that about the universal set. Universal set is a set which contain all the elements from a particular criteria. For example, we have considered the set of the triangle. So universal set is the set of the triangle which contain all types of the triangle. That is, this set have every type of the equilateral triangle. That is, a equilateral triangle whose side is 1 centimeter, an equilateral triangle whose side is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And this set also contain all isosceles triangle. This set contain all right angle triangle, all obtuse angle triangle, all acute angle triangle. So a set which contain all types of the triangle is called the universal set of the set of triangle. So let U be the universal set, the set which contains some elements. And universal set is a set which contain all elements from this particular criteria. So A complement is denoted by A dash or AC. A complement. This one is also a set which contain all element of set universal set except of the element of set A itself. For example, universal set is the set of all digits as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we A be the set of odd digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So A complement is the set of element of universal set except of the element of this, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. In Venn diagram, we can represent this complement of a set as, suppose this one is the universal set, this one is a set A. So except of this portion, the remaining portion of the universal set represent its complement. So this portion, shaded portion is the A complement. So A को छोड़कर बाकी जो भी बचते हैं यूनिवर्सल सेट के एलिमेंट्स, वो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म करते हैं. यहां पर हम पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि देयर आर सम प्रॉब्लम्स, there are some properties of the complement of a set. First is properties of a complement. A union A complement is the universal set. Second problem, properties of A intersection A complement is 5. Third property is universal set complement is 5. Fourth property is complement of phi is U. So next are De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. And next is A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement. So there are some properties. Next is A complement whole complement is set A itself. So by using these properties, now we are going to discussing the exercise 1.5 of the test book. So question number 1 is of this test book is question first. number 1 is, there is a universal set U, given that there is a universal set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is a universal set. And there are some sets defined as A is the set which contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4. And B be the another set which is defined as, which contain the element 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is the set of 3, 4, 5, 6. And another D is a set, no. So there are only 3 sets are given. So there is a universal set. We have considered as the universal set of the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. And there is a set is given which contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set and C set which have the following elements. The question first is, find the complement. First is A complement. So A complement is the set which contain the element of the universal set except of the element of set A itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4 छोड़ दीजिएगा. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is the complement of set A. Second one is B complement. What is the B complement? So on the same manner, the element of the universal set except of the element of set B form an complement of set B. So 2, 4, 6, 8 except of 2, 4, 6, 8 remaining all set, that is 1, 5, 7, 9. So this one is the complement of set B. Next, third part is section C complement. Third part is A intersection C complement. So we can find out this set by 2 ways. One is, first, we find out what is the A intersection C. So there are the 2 ways. One way is that first find out A intersection C. A intersection C is a set which contain the common element of set A and set C. So there are only 2 elements are common between set A and set C, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So this one is the intersection of A and C. After that, take its अब conjugate लें. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर 3 और 4 को छोड़कर बाकी जो भी एलिमेंट्स बच रहे हैं 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this one is the complement of A intersection C. Next is, so there is another way. Second way by the De Morgan. A intersection C complement is A complement union C complement. This is the second way to solve, to find out the A intersection C complement by taking the complement of set A and complement of set C. So complement of set A is 5, 6, 7, 8 and union. And complement of set C contain the element 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one 1, 2, 7, 8 and 9. So taking their union, in the union of this set is a set which contain all element of set this one as well as this one, जिसमें दोनों के सारे एलिमेंट आ जाएं 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you will get the same answer. So by direct way or this by using the De Morgan's law. Next part is but there is a third part. There is another option. Third part, by mistake we have taken A intersection C, but in the textbook the requirement A union C complement. By mistake we have taken the intersection, so we can also find out the intersection, but we want there is a requirement of A union C complement. So A union C complement also find by two ways. First is A union C. A union C is the set which contain all element of set A as well as all element of set C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and contain also element of set C 3, 4. Already we have taken, and 5 and 6. So now union C complement. After that, find out complement of A union C. So all the element of set universal set except of these elements, that is 7, 8 and 9. So there is another way. आप हम इसको दोबारा सोल्व कर सकते हैं बाई अप्लाइंग द डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. तो बाई डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ ए यूनियन सी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन सी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection C complement is 1, 2, 7, 8 and 9. And their intersection is a set which contains the common element of set A as well as set C complement. So there is a common element are 7 and 8. 7, 8. So A complement is 5, 6, 7. What is A complement? इसमें यहाँ पे 9 भी आपने लेना है. This one is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 7, 8 and 9. So we can find out A union C complement by directly or by applying the De Morgan's law. हम दो तरीके से ये find out कर सकते हैं. So this is the third part. Now fourth part of this question. Now, fourth is find out the A union B complement. A union B complement. So we can also find by two ways. This as first find out A union B. पहले हम find out करें A union. A union B is a set which contain all element of set A as well as all element of set B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 8. This is the A union B. After that we calculate A union B complement. So universal set में आप element और 6 and 8. तो remaining elements of the universal set form the A union complement. So A union B complement contain 5, 7 and 9. So we can also find out this result by applying the De Morgan's law. A union B, और हम दूसरे वे से कर सकते हैं. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So what is A complement? A complement is a set as element 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Intersection B complement is the set of element 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we have write down the A complement and B complement and taking their intersection, that is common element of both the sets are one is 5, second is 6, no, 7 and next is 9. So this one is the another way. So इसको आप दो तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट मेथड और सेकंड मेथड. रिजल्ट आपने सेम आना है. नाउ सिक्स पार्ट इज फिफ्थ इज A complement whole complement. We know that A complement whole complement is A set itself by the property. First time taking the A complement. Again taking the complement, so we are getting the element 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And of this is find the B whole complement. B minus C. To find out the B minus C whole complement, first find out B minus C. We know that the difference of two sets is a set which contain the element of set first only, which do not have any element of set second. So B minus C means which contain the set element of set B only, which do not contain by C. So element of set B do not have. So 1 is 2. 2 is the member of set B and not a member of the set C. But next is 4. 4 is the member of set B as well as member of set C. So we cannot take the 4 as the element of B minus C. Next is the 6. 6 is not element of A and C as well. So we cannot take the 6 element in the B minus C. Next element is 8. So B minus C is the set which contain the set element of set B only. तो केवल B में यहां पर 2 और 8 एलिमेंट है. सो अब आपने नोट करना है कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो B माइनस C कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो इन यूनिवर्सल सेट all element except of 2 and 8 is the complement of B minus C. That is, there is a set 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. So this one is the set which is a B minus C complement. So this is the solution of the question number 1 of this exercise 1.5. Now we proceed by taking the question number 2. Question number 2 is, there is a set as universal set which contain the element A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Let us suppose this one is the universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H up to H. This one is the universal set. Next is find the complement of the following set. In first part there is a given set A as which contain the element A, B, C. Now we want to find out its complement. So complement of set A is a set which contain the element of the universal set except of the element A, B, C, that is D, E, F, G and H. This one is the complement of set A. Second one is, there is a set B, or B is the set as D, E, F, G. D, E, F and G. So find out the B complement. So B complement is the set which contain the element of universal set except of D, E, F, G. So that is remaining element are A, B, C and H. So except of D, E, F or G. So A, B, C and H. This one is the complement of set B. Third one is, there is a set C with element A, C, E, G. A and G. So we can find out the complement set of set C as A is the member of seat. So we can take B except of element of these B and C, after that D and E and F or H. So this one is the complement of set C. Fourth one is, there is a set D is given as the element F, G, H, A. F, G, H and A. So complement of set D is a set which contains the element of universal set except of the element G, F, C. So यहां पर आप F को छोड़ दें, G को छोड़ दें, H को छोड़ दें, A को छोड़ दें. So remaining element are B, C, D and E. So this one is the complement set of set D. Now, in continuation, question number 3. Question number 3 is, taking the set of the natural number as the universal set. So consider universal set as the set of the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. This is the finite set. Now, this question, find out the complement of the following sets. So first set we have denoted by this set by A, X such that X is a natural number or even natural number. X is even number. So set of the universal set of the natural number is considered as a universal set. We want to find out the complement of set A. So A complement of natural number में set of even natural number तो बचेगा set of or odd natural number. So its complement we can write down as X is odd natural number. So once again I repeat this, let us suppose set of natural number consider as a universal set. Set of all even natural number, complement or conjugate of, so set A, conjugate of set A is the set which contain all element of the universal set, that is all natural number except of even natural number. So अगर सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर में इवन नेचुरल नंबर हम छोड़ देते हैं तो बाकी बचते हैं ओड नेचुरल नंबर. तो यहां पर ए का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा सेट. सेकेंड पार्ट इज, सपोज वी हैव डिनोट दिस सेट बाय बी, एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज ओड नेचुरल नंबर. तो बी सेट इज द सेट ऑफ ओड नेचुरल नंबर. So what is the complement of this? So B complement is X. X is even natural number. Even natural number. That is set of natural number में से अगर हम odd number को छोड़ देते हैं तो हमारे पास बचते हैं even natural number. तो a set of even natural number is complement set B. Third is set denoted by C, and this one is X such that X is positive multiple of 3. X such that X is positive multiple of 3. So I think that there is no need to tell us that is a positive multiple of 3 because all natural numbers are positive. So find out the complement of the set C. So in set of the natural number, there are some multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. So this one set which contains the all multiple of 3 and which are the natural number. So its complement means in this set except of all multiple of 3 are the conjugate of the set C. So that is X such that X is not a, X is a natural number and X is not a multiple of 3. यहां पर हमने डिनोट करना है कि C contain all multiple of 3 or as a natural number positive multiple of 3. So complement of the set C is the set of natural number which are not the multiple of 3. This is the complement of set C. In next is now fourth case. Let us suppose this one is the set D. X such that X is a prime. X such that X is a number. Or we want to find out the conjugate of the set. So we know that all natural number which are not prime are the conjugate or complement of sets D. So D set D complement as contain the element X such that X is a composite number. Composite number and X is equal to 1. Because what is not a composite? So बाकी अगर नेचुरल नंबर के सेट के अंदर हम प्राइम नंबर को छोड़ दें तो बाकी जो नंबर बचेंगे वो प्राइम नहीं होंगे. बट कंपोजिट हमने लिखा है, या हम कह सकते हैं कि एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज नॉट ए प्राइम एंड एक्स इज ए नेचुरल नंबर. तो दिस वन इज द कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ द सेट डी. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज डी. लेट अस सपोज दिस सेट इज डिनोटेड बाय सेट ई. और ई सेट X such that X is a natural number. This one is the set of element X such that X is a natural number and X is divisible by 3 or 5. So E is a set which contain the natural numbers which are divisible by 3 or, and we want to find out the its conjugate. So its conjugate is the set of natural number which are not divisible by, which are not the member of the set of element of E. So we can write down as X such that X is a natural number and X is not divisible by 3. और इस और को कन्वर्ट कर दें एंड में, एंड 5. वाई? बिकॉज डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ ये कहता है कि अगर कहीं पर भी ए यूनियन बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट है तो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो वो यूनियन का इंटरसेक्शन करता है, इंटरसेक्शन का यूनियन करता है, तो एंड का और हो जाता है, और का एंड हो जाता है. तो दिस सेट कंटेन द ऑल एलिमेंट विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 5. So this one is the set of the natural number which do not have any number या natural number which is not divisible by 5 and divisible by 3. So this is the complement of set E. Next is sixth part. Sixth part is X such that X is a perfect square, and we have denoted this set as X such that X is a perfect square. So this contain the all natural number which are the perfect square, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. So its conjugate or complement is X such that X is a natural number which is not a perfect. So this one is a complement of A. Now seventh part is, in seventh part this set is denoted by, or set G X such that X is a perfect cube. X is a perfect cube. Is this contain cube that is 1 and 2 का square 8, 27 and 64 and so on. So its conjugate is X such that X is a natural number which is not a परफेक्ट क्यूब। तो हम वो सारे एलिमेंट नेचुरल नंबर के जो इसमें नहीं है, इनके एलिमेंट को छोड़कर, इसमें एलिमेंट है 1, 8, 27, दीज आर द परफेक्ट क्यूब। तो इन सेट ऑफ द नेचुरल नंबर एक्सेप्ट ऑफ द परफेक्ट क्यूब contained by the G complement. Next is 8th part. X such that x plus 5 equal to, denoted by H, x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. So when we solve this, x plus 5 is equal to 8, so x is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So H is a singleton set with element 3 only. So what is its complement? So H complement x such that x is a natural number and x is not equal to 3. That is, set natural number except of 3 is the conjugate or complement set of set H. Now, next part is ninth part. Ninth is x such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 4. This is denoted by I. X such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So when we solve this equation, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9, that is 2x is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, x is equal to 2. So we can say that this is also singleton set which contain the set element only 2. So its complement is x such that x is natural number except of 2. So the set of natural number except of 2 is the conjugate or complement of set I. Now 10th part is by J, and J is a set of element x such that x is greater than equal to 7. That is, the set J which contain all natural number which are greater than equal to 7, that is, this set contain the element 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. So what is its conjugate? So in the set of natural number, except of these natural number, the complement of A, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can also write down as natural number x is less than equal to 6. So this one is the conjugate of set J. In case of there is a K, and K is a set x such that x is a natural number, and there is a condition given that 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So when we solve this condition, 2x plus 1 is greater than 10, so we can say that 2x is greater than 9 or x is greater than 9 by 2, that is, x is greater than 4.5. But we know that 4.5 is not a natural number, but this set contains 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So once again, there is a set which is denoted by K, contain the element which are natural number and more than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5. But 4.5 से जो greater natural numbers होंगे वो होंगे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So we want to find out its conjugate. So its conjugate is the set of natural number except of these natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can also write down as x such that x is a natural number and x is less than equal to 4. So this one is the conjugate of the given set K. So simply there is a universal set और different type of sets यहाँ पर define है. हमने उन सब के यहाँ पर conjugates find out किए हैं by following the definition of the conjugate of a set. Next is now question number 4. Question number 4 is, let U be the universal set of the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. There is a universal set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. ये यहाँ पर universal set given है. And there is a set A which contain the element 2, 4, 6 and 8, and there is a set B which contain the element 2, 3, 5, 7, and verify the following. First condition is A union B whole complement is the A complement intersection B complement. So simply, there is a universal set and A and B are two sets are defined. We want to prove the De Morgan's law, or De Morgan's law is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement and B complement, intersection B complement. So by taking left hand side, पहले left hand side solve करें, और left hand side solve करने के लिए पहले आप निकालें A union B. So A union B is a set which contain the element of set A as well as element of set B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union B, this set is the set which contain all element of set A as well as all element of set B. इसमें सारे element A के आ जाते हैं, सारे element B के आ जाते हैं. Now find out its conjugate. अब इसका आप कॉन्जुगेट फाइंड आउट करें. सो ए यूनियन बी कॉन्जुगेट, यूनिवर्सल सेट में इनको छोड़कर बाकी जो बचे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 contained by A union B. So next element is 9. So this set is the conjugate of set A union B. So this one is the left hand side. Now taking right hand side, and in right hand side first of all find A complement. What is A complement? So in the set of universal element of the universal set which are not a member of the set A, so that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Secondly, find out the B conjugate. B conjugate formed by taking the element of the universal set member of the set B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this one is a B complement. Now find out A conjugate intersection B conjugate or complement. So what are the common elements in A conjugate and B conjugate? That is 1, not there, is not there, 7 and 9. So this one is. So that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. This De Morgan's law is verified. So we can say that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second part is all based on the De Morgan's law, that is A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So to prove this law, first taking left hand side, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पहले आप निकालें A intersection B. So what are the common element of A and B? One is 2. 2 is the member of both the sets A and B. Not 4, not 6, not 8. So there is only one element is the common between A and B. Now, what is A intersection B complement? So, element of set of universal set which do not have 2. So, of 2 element 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 form the A intersection B complement. Next, right hand side. To find out the right hand side, we know that A complement union B complement. So, we have already calculated the. So, A complement is the set of element 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And union complement 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So, taking their union, that is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, left hand side is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, both the sides are equal. So, therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, second De Morgan's law, that is A intersection B complement is this one is A complement union B complement is verified. ये भी वेरीफाई हो जाता है गिवन सेट के अकॉर्डिंग. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5 is, draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following cases. So, first case is A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. Question is that draw the Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, the rectangular region is represent a universal set. Suppose this one is the universal set. And there are two sets, set A and B. This one is set A, this one is set B. First, A union B. So, A union B means first taking their union. So, in union, combining both sets A and B. ये दोनों सेट कंबाइन हो जाएंगे किसमें? A union B में. So, when we take the A union B, so this the black shaded portion is represent the A union B. So, what is the complement? So, A union B को छोड़कर जो यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर रिमेनिंग पोर्शन बचा है, दिस वन इज, इसी को हम कहेंगे A union B का complement. So, this one is, this red portion is called A union B whole complement. Where the red, black portion is called A union B. A union B को छोड़कर यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर जितना भी पोर्शन बचता है, this portion is called A union B whole complement. Now, second part is A complement intersection B complement. The same reason, because De Morgan's law यही बताता है A union B complement is the A complement intersection B complement. So, इसका भी appropriate Venn diagram हम draw कर सकते हैं. Suppose this one is the universal set, this set is A or this one is B set. First of all, taking their complement. So, A set को छोड़कर बाकी जो बचता है, this one is called A complement. This black shaded portion is called A complement. This one is called A complement. And what is B complement? B को छोड़ दें, except of the B set is the conjugate of B or complement of set B. So that is, this one is a region which contain the black shaded portion. This one is called B complement. So what is the intersection? A complement, intersection B complement. What is the common? Common means which is the common means a shaded portion which contain the blue lines and black lines, जिसमें दोनों आ जाएं. तो ये वाला जो पोर्शन आप देख रहे हैं, दिस वन, जिसमें ब्लू और ब्लैक दोनों लाइन है, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड, ये वाला पोर्शन, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो दिस इज अ शेडेड पोर्शन. और ये दोनों फिगर एक ही रीजन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. नाउ third is A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. So draw the Venn diagram of this case. The universal set. This one is set A and this one is set B. First of all, draw the intersection. Intersection means what is the common region of both the sets. So common region is this one. ये ब्लैक पोर्शन है. दिस वन इज द ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. व्हाट इज द कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस वन? सो कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस वन इज एक्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस, except of this black region, whole of the region of the universal set represent the conjugate of this A intersection B. That is, ये जो पोर्शन है इसको छोड़कर ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा इसका कॉन्जुगेट. So this one is called A intersection B whole complement. तो ये वेन डायग्राम है ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट का. एंड नाउ फोर्थ इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो व्हाट इज द वेन डायग्राम ऑफ दिस पोर्शन? सो लेट अस सपोज दिस वन set B. First of all, draw their conjugates. What is the conjugate of A? Of A is the set region of the set or region of the universal set except of A itself. A को छोड़कर इस यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर जो भी कुछ पोर्शन बचेगा वो A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा. सो दिस ब्लू शेडेड रीजन इज A कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो A को छोड़कर बाकी जो पोर्शन है वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है A का. नाउ व्हाट इज बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट? बी को छोड़कर जो पोर्शन होगा वो यूनिवर्सल सेट का, दिस रिप्रेजेंट द बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो दिस वन इज, सो एक्सेप्ट ऑफ सेट बी. So this black portion, this one is called B complement. Now, what is the A complement union B complement? तो एक ऐसा पोर्शन जिसमें ब्लू लाइन भी हो, ब्लैक लाइन भी हो और कोई सी भी हो दोनों में से, तो जिसमें कम से कम एटलीस्ट वन टाइप की लाइंस लाई कर रही हो. तो ये वाला जो पोर्शन आप देख रहे हैं, दिस वन इज, जिसमें मैंने रेड शेड किया है, ये वाला पोर्शन या तो ब्लू लाइंस कंटेन कर रहा है या ब्लैक लाइन कंटेन कर रहा है. तो दिस ब्लू रेड पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो दिस वन इज द, दैट इज पोर्शन और यहां पर ये है रेड वाला पोर्शन है इसको छोड़कर, और यहां भी रेड वाला पोर्शन है इसको छोड़कर. दोनों का मीनिंग एक है, बिकॉज this one is the De Morgan's law, or we know that the A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this one is the Venn diagram of the given cases. Now next question is, question number 6. Question is, U be the set of the all triangle in a plane. Universal set X such that X is a triangle in a plane. That is, this set contains all types of the triangle in a plane. And now there is a set given which is denoted by set A. A is the set of element X such that X is a set of all triangle with at least one angle different from 60. All triangles which have at least one angle different from 60. That is, we can say that अगर इसका आप मीनिंग निकालें तो कि इस सेट के अंदर एक इसके ऐसे ट्राइंगल्स होंगे जिसमें एक एंगल 60 होगा. सपोज करें ये 60 है. दूसरा केस ये होगा कि ये 60 है, ये 60 है, तो तीसरा एंगल ऑटोमेटिकली क्या है, 60 है. लेकिन वो कह रहा है डिफरेंट, कि इसमें एक एंगल 60 नहीं है, इसमें दो एंगल 60 नहीं है. द सेट इज गिवन दैट which contain the all triangles in which at least one angle different from 60. ये ऐसा ट्राइंगल है जिसका एक एंगल भी 60 नहीं है. ये ऐसा एंगल ट्राइंगल है जिसके अंदर दो एंगल भी 60 नहीं है. तो इसका मीनिंग आप निकालें तो ऐसे ट्राइंगल जिसमें एक भी 60 नहीं, दोनों एंगल 60 नहीं है, तीनों एंगल 60 नहीं होंगे. अगर दो एंगल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 60 है तो थर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 60 होगा. सो इट्स कन्वर्स इज ए कॉन्जुगेट X such that X is a triangle which have all angles as 60. तो इसका उल्टा ही हमने जो हमारे पास जो सेट है उस सेट के अंदर वो ट्राइंगल है जिसमें एक भी एंगल 60 नहीं है. तो हम इसका कन्वर्स निकालते हैं तो हम ये कहते हैं कि देयर इज ए सेट विच कंटेन ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ 60. सो ए कॉन्जुगेट को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं सेट ऑफ ऑल इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल. सो कॉन्जुगेट सेट ऑफ ऑल इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल्स. So this is a simply solution of this question. And the last question of this exercise is question number 7. Based on the complement of a set, so fill in the blank set. We have properties of the what union A complement. Stood by Venn diagram. One is the universal A. The remaining portion is called A complement. ये A complement है. What is the meaning of the A and union A complement? So this portion and this portion, when we combining this one and this one, so we get a universe. So we get a universal set. So this is the answer of this part. Second is phi complement A. What is the meaning of this? Phi complement. We know that this one is the universal set or phi complement means universal set. Phi means null set जिसके अंदर एक भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. Its converse is a set which contain all elements, that is universal set. So phi complement, we can say that phi complement is the universal set or intersection A. So this one is the universal set, this one is the, what is the common between them? That is set. So इन दोनों में A में और यूनिवर्सल सेट में कॉमन होगा A सेट. So answer is A. Third is A intersection A complement. So we know that this one is the universal set, this one is the set A, this one is set A, and what is the conjugate this or complement? Complement is this set except of the element A. What is the common between them? So there is no common between them. So that is A intersection A complement is 5. And fourth part is universal complement intersection A. Universal complement means जिसके अंदर सारे एलिमेंट है. Conjugate of a universal set is which do not have any element, that is phi. So conjugate of or complement of universal set is phi. Intersection A, this is the empty set, this is the non-empty set, so their intersection is empty set phi. So ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो इस लेक्चर में हमने सारी न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस की हैं अबाउट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट और कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ ए सेट by the given universal set. So in the next lecture we will discuss the practical problem or application of the sets, that is what are the uses of the set in the practical problems. So thank you, goodbye.